That sound parents always ask me about. That sound every parent asks me about. Almost every parent leans in and whispers, "Will my baby cure crack?" That question makes so much sense. That some people associate with chiropractic. It's just more release of gas in the joint, not bones cracking or anything being forced. And with babies and kids, adjustments are incredibly gentle, often so light that it feels like a soft touch or sustained pressure. Pediatric chiropractic is never about the sound. It's about supporting nervous system, helping little bodies grow, settle, and adapt with ease during these important early years. So it's never about